Guys, today I have a Happy Meal toys, and tonight I have a Happy Meal toys, and I'm so excited to open. And my daddy's watching me to pour the PD to pour on YouTube. It's fun, and I'm gonna open it.
So what'd you get?
So I get this. I get the girl.
The Powerpuff Girls?
Yeah, the Powerpuff Girls.
Their mask?
Yeah, with the mask. It was kind of fun, and I never get to play with these, so I didn't watch these. So I'm gonna play with these games, but I don't know what this game calls. But I know the mask and the 3 little sisters and their powers. So I'm gonna open it.
Good strong girl. There you go. Rip it. Good job.
So,
What do you get? A big mask?
Yes.
Ooh, that's big.
It's kind of big on me.
It's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Is there a glass?
No.
No.
Hey, me. There's no glass. Hey, me.
Cool.
And you can put it down.
Your fingers through?
Yeah. Because there's no glass.
Okay.
And you can drop these.
It won't break?
They won't break.
Cool.
On the back, you can see these girls.
Powerpuff Girls?
Yes. These are so little, and they're
Cute.
yeah, and cute, and glitter. And she have her hair on the top, and this is her glasses, right here, with the edge of her eye. It's green and white, and green. White and green, and the skin of her skin color. And this is her black hair, and the top, and this is her hair too. So this is green, and this is her, with her in here. She's quite a little, and she has sparkles. On this side, it's kind of the same of kicking, almost. So the kicking part is kind of cool. With this black one, means you can pour back and front, back and forth. So if you don't want it, you can pour in the bag, or if you do want it, you can pour it on. So that's it.
That's it? That's a good toy review. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.